Humsafar's fame Harshit Chopra and Shivya Patania, who are still remembered and missed by their fans for their magical on-screen performances, are now back once again. The popular on-screen couple who have been showered with lots of love from their fans in the form of gifts and letters are now here to answer to their rapid-fire questions. Let's check out what interesting answers they gave for the questions asked by their fans.
Okay. Fine. Who would these people be if not actors? Sehban.
Singing, no. I don't know. Sehban, I think Sehban would have only, maybe a writer. He likes to write.
Yes.
He likes to do.
Vibha Chibber.
Teacher!
Zeena Bhatia. Kriti Abba.
She would be Dadi. Sehban.
Writer.
Vibha Chhabbar.
मेरी बेटी.
Purva.
I call her Purva Parag.
She would be a teacher.
She would be a teacher. If you were to wake up as the following people, what would you do? Sehban.
I will try and write. I cannot.
Shivya.
I will go to Shimla. I've never been to Shimla. And come back.
मतलब if he would have been Shivya, तो ये शिमला जाते क्योंकि ये कभी शिमला गए नहीं है. तो correct in his place. Salman Khan.
मैं जागा रहता. सिर्फ जागता रहता. सपना होता ना जागे.
Asharfi.
अशरफी. मैं मेरे साथ थोड़ा ज़्यादा कोऑपरेट करता सीन्स में.
चलो मेरी बारी.
हाँ, same. What would you do if you are like Harshit Chopra?
Okay. Wake up, do my puja, then go to the gym.
So what? Acha, because you don't do it in life, you want to do this.
No. Acha, if I would be Harshit Chopra, if I would be Harshit Chopra, what would I
You
do?
should go on a drive because you don't know how to drive. Harshit
Yes.
Chopra does.
Thank you so much. I would. हाँ मैं ड्राइव पे जाऊंगी इनकी गाड़ी लेके क्योंकि मुझे ड्राइव करना नहीं आता. वो ऑटोमेटिक गाड़ी है उसमें मैं अच्छी चला सकती हूँ.
Okay, Madhubala.
मधुबाला. हाय ये तो सपना है. तो मैं जागी रहती और मुझे वो डांस फॉर्म बहुत पसंद है तो मैं पूरे टाइम वो डांस करती रहती.
Asharfi.
और शर्फी तो मैं किसी भी एक्टर के साथ काम करती तो उनकी बाजुओं में वो इतने सारे निशान नहीं डलते.
उसकी गलती नहीं थी, उसके नाखून थे.
है ना. पर कितना प्यारा था. अगर मैं शर्फी होती तो मैं बात करती. वो बात करती थी. मैंने कुछ नहीं बताया. वो बात करती थी. मैं बहुत सारी बातें करती.
Jagreet.
जगरीत. If I were Jagreet.
You will be living in New York. Wow.
Yes. मैं न्यूयॉर्क में होती.
Hollywood में try कर.
हॉलीवुड में ट्राई करती.
आमना.
अगर मैं आमना होती तो मैं किसी पता है बहुत ही बड़ी कंपनी में जहाँ पे VFX और ये सब और एडिटिंग होती है वहाँ की सबसे हेड पोस्ट पे होती बिकॉज शी इज़ अमेजिंग विद दैट एडिटिंग. और मेरी शो रील उन्होंने बना के दी है. तो आई एम यूजिंग इट एवरीवेयर. थैंक यू सो मच. मतलब इट्स द बेस्ट
Okay,
थिंग.
I can complain but not complaining. Next question.
हाँ. वन थिंग यू लाइक अबाउट साहिर. वन थिंग यू डिसलाइक्ड.
I think overall everything about Sahir was nice. What I disliked is maybe he was too serious in life. No, actually there's nothing to dislike about him. Is there? No. I don't think there's anything. One thing you liked about Arzu. One
Arzu.
thing you disliked about Arzu.
Oh, I love Arzu. There's nothing I disliked in her. Nothing.
Actually, I think when you play a character, whether it's positive, negative, or whatever it is,
Yeah.
you have to really like the character to play it, to be able to play it. You can never dislike something and then play it properly also. Shayad.
I've loved Arzu.
Yeah.
Nothing to be disliked.
Okay, what do you like about Sahir
Sahir was a coconut, very hard and very मतलब ऐसे बाहर से इतना कड़क और अंदर से इतना soft baby जैसा तो I liked about Sahir is like a man every girl admires.
Okay. Are you up for season 2 or would you revisit Sahir and Arzu?
आप मुझसे सारे क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हो
नहीं.
तो मेरे को के लिए चांस दिया
अच्छा पूछ लो ना.
exactly है ना what do you like about Sahir and what do you like about Harshad
हाँ.
हाँ तो मेरे को तो ये बताना है ना क्योंकि obviously about Harshad he is very disciplined. I learned discipline. I am learning still but he's very disciplined which is very tough. So I try to learn that from him. Very disciplined, very hard working and very down to earth.
You're trying to learn how to be down to earth.
No, except down to earth. I am learning how to be disciplined in life.
My question, please.
Yes. What do you like about Arzu? What do you like about Shivya? What do you like about Arzu? Yes. What do you?
What do I like about Arzu? Arzu, I can say so many things I dislike. Okay, Arzu, I think as far as Sahir was concerned, I think Arzu was the perfect non-serious element Sahir could have to, मतलब ये दो दूसरे Mars and Venus kind of situation था. So I think there's not, again everything about the character. The bubbliness, the chulbulaness, the shaitani, the mastikhori, the charas bodenge.
Charas bodenge. Allah knows.
Allah knows. Charas bodenge.
Psycho Chaudhary. Gabbar Chaudhary.
Okay. Now the next question. I am Harsha Chopra and you are watching me on India Forums. Please subscribe their YouTube channel.